spot with the overhanging bushes that I wanted to do. But I like this area very much. And I think it's kind of pretty, so might have started late, but it's a beautiful day. It's very, very humid though, and you can see these turns, like wow. Subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word. And my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis-secret-pathfinder. And please don't forget to like my videos. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I hope you enjoy my videos now, and I hope in the future you'll check my channel, see what I have, cooking videos. We just did a video of Child's Park. It was gorgeous today. The waterfalls. Walked the park in heels. Did a special video on that. It was a lot of fun. And many other videos here. Many other things. Animal videos. There's all sorts. Always many random things, historic things. But I really enjoy doing some of these travel videos and some of these road videos. So I'm just giving you a quick snippet before I cut off here. And there we go. Now, just yesterday it was only actually 80-something degrees, but it said feels like 90-something. The humidity was very high. Today, again, the humidity was rough. By the water, it was a little bit cooler, definitely, but still kind of very, very humid. No doubt about it. There's even by the water. Not that many people on the road. This is a Wednesday. I don't know why I kept thinking it was a Monday for some reason.